Shocking transformation of TV Bahu. Hina Khan. This leading lady of Indian television did the role of Sanskari Bahu named Akshara in Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai. Her transformation into a stunning actress shocked everyone. Devolina Bhattacharjee. Devolina was the famous Gopi Bahu in the serial Saath Nibhana Saathiya. Her ravishing looks in Bigg Boss house shocked everyone, including the host Salman. Moni Roy. This actress was just an average-looking girl when she stepped into this industry. Later, after gaining success, she totally transformed herself into a stunning girl with fuller lips, dark eyebrows. Karishma Tanna. Karishma is in the industry for many years, and over the years she has been transforming herself. Now she looks completely different from what she looked like during her initial serials. Shama Sikandar. This actress looked completely different in her initial days in the industry. She looked like a girl next door. After suffering from depression, this actress changed herself completely and now she looks unrecognizable. She now looks very hot. Sara Khan. This cute actress did many famous Bahu roles in the television industry. Later, the actress completely changed herself through surgery. She did a lip surgery to make her lips fuller. Ankita Lokhande. She portrayed the role of an idol Bahu in Pavitra Rishta, and she even portrayed the role of a mother gracefully in the show. But her transformation after her Bollywood debut raised many eyebrows. Amna Sharif. Kahin to hoga actress Amna impressed everyone by her acting skills. But while entering Bollywood, she completely transformed herself into a hot actress. Prachi Desai. This actress portrayed the role of a girl next door named Bani in Kasam Se. But later, Prachi changed herself into a ravishing actress after entering Bollywood. Anita Hasnandani. This famous TV actress did many roles of Bahus in Indian television. After gaining success in this industry, Anita completely transformed herself from a girl into a stunning woman. Jennifer Winget. Jennifer looks completely different if compared with her initial days. This actress chose to transform herself post her breakup with Karan Singh Grover. Parul Chauhan. She played one of the lead roles in Sapna Babul Ka Bidai, and this dusky actress was an average-looking girl. Her transformation after few years shocked everyone as she was unrecognizable. Mandira Bedi. This actress transformed herself completely from her initial days. She has cut her hair into short and she always dresses like a diva. Divyanka Tripathi. Her photos of initial day and now are completely different. After her shocking transformation, she looks more beautiful and gorgeous. Shweta Tiwari. This famous actress is completely changed now in comparison with her initial days. After her transformation, she looks fairer and younger. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.